My name is Chanel, and this is my family. We want to travel the whole world. We can see beautiful places and meet different people.
Konnichiwa.
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 Bonjour.
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 Sawadika.
Sawadika.
สวัสดีครับ
Hola.
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 Learn these languages, or you can simply learn English and you can talk to the whole world.
Hello.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I learn English because I want to meet friends all over the world.
Okay, so I am Iris, teacher Iris. What's your name?
My name is Chanel.
Okay, so Chanel, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay, I am 5
I am 5
years old.
years old.
Right, and how about this one? G, 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 G. You say green
Green.
and blue
Blue.
and
Purple.
right. So tell me what color do you like?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so you can say I
Like blue.
right. I like blue. Very nice. Okay, so how about the picture over here? And how about this one? What is this?
Elephant.
No, not elephant. This one.
Monkey.
Right, it's a monkey. Very nice. Okay, so you like monkeys, right? But what color is the monkey?
Brown.
Right, so it is.
Brown.
So now you did a great job today. Give me 5. Yay! Okay, high five. So I will give you 5 balloons. Yay! How many balloons did you get?
5.
Right, so I've got
5.
balloons. Right,
I got 5 balloons.
very nice. Okay, so next time we're going to speak more. So see you next time. Time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hi, friend.
Hi, Chanel.
Let's learn English.
Okay, let's go. What's your name?
My name is Hippopotamus. What's your name?
My name is Food Panda. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. How about you?
I am 3 years old. I'm younger brother.
I'm your older brother.
What's your name?
My name is Pikachu.
Oh, you are Pikachu.
What's your name?
I am Carl.
You say Pikachu.
How old are you?
I'm 11. How old are you?
I am 7. We are 7-Eleven. Let's go to 7-Eleven.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like frogs?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah.
I like oysters.
Oh no.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like apples?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
I like green. How about you?
I like pink.
You're a pink elephant.
Good job, everyone. Now you know English. I will take you to travel.
喜欢我们频道的朋友，麻烦帮我们按赞、订阅、加分享，以及开启小铃铛，日后会有更多有趣好玩的影片跟大家分享哦。
Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.